Good morning to everyone. If I do video, they long. If it's too long, go post. So now make I sometimes I just like to choose live, do video, post them. You understand? For others to still learn. You understand me? I'm not vessel. Rashes don't dey full my face, not be small. This message now for Ebony. I know say sometimes if your fellow woman try to talk to you, you no go like listen. You understand? But I feel say this life, the rightful place to get advice now from those we no like you. Yes. See those people when like you, when they like claim say they like you. If they advise you, now out of love they advise, they don't tell you the truth. See the ones where they don't like you at all. Now they'll feel advise you when you go take. And they tell you, my sister, the previous video when I did the other day about Festina, Shara, and others. Not be say I don't know your character, but I just decided to do that video because you still be human being, no matter your character, no matter your behavior, still be human being, still be fellow woman. So they don't need to lower your prestige because of your attitude. 90% of people, have been 99 safe, we are against you on that post. Like, now the right thing they do to you. Nobody, the thing don't, they don't feel they know the thing don't pay many people. Like now right thing, now they do to you. My sister, make I advise you. Good morning to everyone. Lucas, my good morning. You understand? My sister, make I advise you. If I were you, I will change my ways. Yes. I will change my ways. You people should stop making noise. I'm busy here. I will change my ways. You know why? Nobody is perfect. E full my body, e dey everybody, include those 4 people when they talk that day. E dey everybody body. But if one person, people to talk about one particular person, and e be famous person, my sister, very bad. If you talk now, if you feel say, oh, be me when we want to talk to you, make I use my own self as reference to you. For you to pick some points. You get one of my old picture when I post on Facebook, say 15 to 60 years ago. Then, if I dress, it gets some kind of dress one will dress then. If my yash never show, like whole of my yash never come out like this, I know what call them dressing. I'll feel say which kind of dress it is. I beg you not fine, or see that yash come out. So people begin they think, this girl, she did okay, I they come. Get what I don't want to go find nothing. I not see You get one picture I want to go find. I know where I put her in there. You understand? People begin think like this girl, she dey normal, she dey okay. Why she dey dress like this? But to me, I feel say na the best dressing be that one. You understand? But people be dey reason otherwise. They think like my head not correct and all that. They follow me. But me, I don't know wetin they talk follow me. They live life so simple. Until one day me and somebody come quarrel. Every gossip, people they gossip about me. She use and laugh me. One person. Second, other people who they want me, they find my trouble. Some more they quarrel. What they hear, they use and they laugh me. The more they run for problem, trouble, the more trouble they find my enemy. Abba. Until they talk. One particular, one day I can't sit down. Through the reason myself. So till they say no sabi greet. And that greeting, now just my nature. Even my own mother will carry me for belly. If the man only remember to greet her. He don't beat me, don't tire. I don't come reason and say, maybe now this speaking nature, you can't leave me. Sometimes I will greet somebody pass. I will forget say maybe I never greet. I'll greet her twice. Come be like say my enemy no dey normal. Because that greeting they affect me. Say she not get character. One day I sit down. I all begin reason myself. Say nobody go change me. Because that pride they do me. Say who be you and want to talk to me? That be wetin they do you ebony. Nobody go feel advise me when I go sick. Wetin I lack for life. I begin advise myself. You understand? So, you see all this pepper body, any little quarrel, I need to dey calm down. Like, not be every time somebody quarrel put. People not will talk about me. Make I take it easy. I suppose react if the thing warrants to react. People say, nah, she right. You understand? Almost the whole state were against me. Not be say I do anything. No, now just my character. No, they make me they live happily. Not be say they hate me. They hate my attitude. And anywhere I go that time I fine now. Not be now I cover go. That time I fine. Before I follow one full street, I will see like 6 people who go tell me, say, you find them. I find that time. But they admire my beauty, but I no get attitude. Yes, they truly look my chest. But see, I change myself. When I change myself, I come learn to the mingle with people. Because that affair affects me. No, if you want to go meet you, follow you make friend. Pride. They form. You dey look down on people. You dey feel say level when I dey you no reach am be you. No, my sister. You need to do away with many things. If not, you go affect you for old age. Honestly. It will affect you for old age. Imagine, me I not like you. But not be you I not like. Now your attitude I not like. But I still do video for you. People still dey against the video. My sister, okay. I don't wanna wear a woman. I swear to God Almighty, on one man. Yes. Who then I was saying, why you feel leg away for now? No, we want feel and what like you. Who problem already? Who we stress? When a problem with Emmanuel already. So we man we hear if your guy be no hear happiness in any way because you are in pain already. But now you want to change yourself to do away with pain way around you. All of the day against you for your industry, for anywhere, go for Facebook, different. No, my sister, you need to change your ways. Pride, if you allow pride, if you allow pride destroy your life, my sister, I swear to God Almighty, you will regret them before your old age. Pride, they do you. You don't know how to listen to people. Your advice. Make you they work on yourself. Say, this character why they live, you not good. Too much of talk, they kill woman. Verse where they verse for you, say, you they downgrade other people. Not be say they hate you. Learn to they control your words. So if you all they talk pata. But they don't know how to control their words. Learn to control your words. Even if you get one particular person, they just indirect. Now me, I understand you. I not be your friend. I don't know. I understand. You say if you don't get problem with more than one person, you don't get problem with more than one person. Now neither they talk am. Una no reach. Una they create so they zuzu. Una cannot be one person you get problem with. They not sabi sing. They not sabi. Now one person they talk to, but the people when hate you already, they go refer to like everybody they talk to. They don't know how to act. You get a group of people you they talk to, but based on the invest for you, they go refer to everybody. You know why? They want to drag other people to join them deal with you. They want to drag other people to join they hate you. Say your home too much. But the ones who love you naturally, now that they escape the hate, they don't want to hate you. My sister, change your ways. If you don't change your ways, it will affect you. Honestly. Because that video when I do, 2 people call me, say, Ebony ma fit on and I will buy video nina. No matter what. On wanagbo. You know who you know. Tomama no ya marry, wa trying wa gbe ni don't be here here you wa ma destroy ni no. They will gbe ya boy na do ko ni ma we no matter what. I show you the love. If you want none way they against the way you wa gbe matter. Ofu wa gbe ori gbagbo ya no for naira. Who were they against you now that we agree? Who want to wear kuna wa we grew up where? Mammy tata toto wa got a lot, but what we got to tell of a bua. Ime my qua. Men my quo. Money quo, we my baby. My never wrote my grab off in your wa was the one, but waking money can every babana. It's all of it, boy. It's all of it, boy. Up on up on the re. A secret to what all of my grave do a volley a latin. I quite agree. Your power was to say. Bono power was to say. Just not fear bear with it. If you don't need. Why not leave it against or pot of white bay? Yes. No mass baby, Nigeria, baby, we book. Or what bag will I be? No phone arrow or what you might take easy. Mure nagbe agbe wada. But fiegwe with Ebony Mana fiegwe would all affect you, my sister. Fiegwe with ye. Call me who wear the pride no row about too much, but not advice you. Not even your own mother. The pride who I feel where we rock back. Yes. A west no kun wella down or wig big. Wait to she anyway. But why to the advice now? Oh, man. How am I have any hate way? Hate way. Why if you board with it, but why me have a very associate or a bit swallow as normal before? In an idea against way. Of when I bet too. See, I kuna or you gang up against you. Saba guys all wet me about. A potopoto ni a heavy, being we got to yakwa pro. Equal, in your dream, I reserve. In a reserve. You want a secret in a beer. Any little in your head, beer. Give away with Babana. And on I ask one say, Francie, yak bed. And on I ask one say, enemy in your tale affair. Near na kunana. Not his best of friends. Wasn't your day against you in Ebony? Here you are free and perfect, Sena. Wasn't your day against you? Whatever you go, but all you need the win for now, Uda, your day against you. Me, I will wear ill when women. A period on what toner, Ulu and Wabby. Coco Bay, I so like a egg. And I so like a cocoa bay. In your bar, I have a problem with you. On working your boy, and when you feel like boy. But in your came your marvel, no problem with you. A hair opportunity. Inya do your one before inya make na boom cause oga boom no here na affect we and go buy kano. Even we see so say na e be head the ba we saga go abun. Cause a group at a group bona tell any ma boom on a tell any but what buy can and na him. Inya na ya boom. The ways e here strong say we have the strength we have faceable we. The period ya love you when I now. Truth. Even a day get someone me make like. Again ya like a. Like do you wanna or talo. Come on. Bless. Come here. You don't play with now too much. My sister, truth. Coco Bay, if I so like a egg. You are one landing with it, you like a group something to gang up against somebody. And you pass through a pain, original. And we're walking low. Come on, but no day by way for now. I was saying, what you're so about, say, where are you? Europano, see where for now. Miaga we a period now. Whatever when yeti at the hin wa ho fe ya fe. Ne remain. Wana di bolona. Ebi aga wa wana di wa pole gbe na wa do pass through a pain wa cause bolon o cover me ya fe. My man enwe na mi kesum da man pio in mejeri mi dey affect me. But fi we here. E character we o ye bo eti we. Maybe the when I ne star we so him yani ke okay yes bobo etiaro e can no say man bu my so bobo etiaro but too much proudness or bring one down try and feel with it this period stay away from this group because they are more than you for now. You me with ye. When man the buna ya ni do your potiti mu e ya go da ore enu ya go ma gwa man ya me wire can make this bibi no ya can make this bibi no this bad belle ya ko amo no not just your attitude towards people and sir bibi ya ka wa me no ya wa your opportunity ya la we gbe when I get na I my have my understanding if you no go home. Even we feel them again, and the same people who are back we. Oh, feel them again. But in your figure, boy, I feel we were feeling again. No. Oh, woman, man, good one win. And here, if I ever walk, oh, good one. Oh, man, good one win. As zono. One man, no day against two. If one who can feel them again, more than one person is them. I don't want to grandma again, he or she. Them on here see but when I conclude here affair when I do affair ki industry affair wa no me wa industry ya yes even the bunye kwa dey against you ebon you too much my sister wan egbo unu omo ma jo dukun no mo ma ri oto. Forget everybody should stop sleeping around with people's husband. Okay, people's husbands. Sleep with people's husbands. the claim innocent in your master. Okay, people husband. I don't buy your my again. If you not snatch, you drag. I give your bomb again. Okay, people husband. Don't we what dog? Who are what you go out for? Not easy. The people husband. If you come away, I'm okay. Why do men like? No matter the lie. Understand me? Why do men like? No matter the lie. More is just so. You are the web on one. When a period on one memorable like a dog with me. I won't agree. Imo % e will not dig against an okpa. I won't ban a dig against the men who get a level boom. I won't ban with the organ and make deba. Cause he had to cause a pain by pain, no man. Your baron and a young boom. Meant the ban of Bunoro on my postal. Your banner may deba. You might like a but you may hate the banner. Yes. You may hate the banner. Because the pain never no cause your banner. Emma, Gary Boy, I do. Or my to do that one, so I do that my way. Emma, no, what day gets on back. Why? Oh, man, I'm going on. You like Emma like a. And I hear so a trading. Oh, what's wrong? You know, just which I do. You like a cuckoo baby. One like a cook baby. Me one like a Sharon. Yes, but okay, Damon Webuni. You love a Sharon baby. Okay, Damon Webuno ya involve baby to dig somebody. On one member like I dig to, but on one may hate the banner. To die be hate a cook baby. A man so you like a cook, especially that is Z. Ebony now have no way personally when easy. Face Ebony. Face again no ya way nani. And ye ya agree with a man where do your opportunity. No. Egbon wa why ogbon wa. Ya voe woni kaje. Wa wi ya ni agbon bobo ni o. Ya do ba agwali ku SF. Ego ya wunya me ni iya lele we kon iya ya agbali ku e iya ma take asemi to mami wa ga le problem with ma me ne ere iya do ya zole mi nu iya e na ti gbe no date iya do ya take as excuse iya de ba iya we iya make na pursue we yo ege na me iya de against Ebony cause o me iya no bugbene no kia we gbe ya bo yen no to ma na gbono walking no way agbegbe wa o ma fu wa igbe ah no ya hu no rikoro don me bad character o da yen ma don no ma se me to bi me no gba me ma advise Ebony to change her was of course I dey advise her but make we kill her ni magbe wa because she bad. She no good. Awi ya like ni abi gbe story ya ma wa we surprise. Yes, I mean ofuna. Ne boni mi yana ya gwi wa mi e boni lazia. No do atare tata to to gbin yana. Nene me no wa fo unu yana. Iwa ni ta lo gbe ma like yan. Easy ni. Ah. Be careful because oma no ke gwihere u talimi ya fe no sunu emi no sunu da we ni he ni ma e do around tap always say bo wana we gwi always say the set da wa abu ama e popo na agboja wo yes oma fo ni megbe ma fo nu wegbe wa wa gbe Ebony wa lawo ima like it again attitude of him like wagima put a yosi Ebony made the spirits no my like made the appearance of mama like so they no hear public wa no gbegbe wa no hu o we hu ne wa ko mi no me wa gbon wo gbegbe wa ne wa me no go to don ge no na ge public no na bag here no waru webi webo here we oge ala oye no webo na ovu wa gbe yanka odere so bia no ile ni bia ni mo ko we atam we ya mo ko wa a married man atam we ya marry na a married man atam we ya marry na ekin ya wa gbo oyi podo ya no wa gi ma drag fifi drag I'm a single man. All men are for all women. Fifi drag. I know they join Bonnie. Say why they join. I know they join Bonnie. I dare against what people they do to Ebony now. This Ebony, I don't like her before. I don't do video for her many times. I dey come. Sweet body. When I go buy me something. Fast. How much? Fast now, run. Yeah, I want to you only handle me. I mean no phone now, Oh, be no enye mo ko wa. When na go single girl go, cause single girl dey single. Me awa be omodo wa kwe. The person for doni o me. The feel like me hair journey wodo. I feel like respect me. Ona we ma we ke me say me o ya mo ko go no problem. But the person we no ko. No be yo wa o ya loji no. Dog be kawe. E kawe egbe. Dog ga kawe. The person of we no ko no ye jowa. O biaro mano ge dadogero ge boy o ve na hina o ge no opportunity chance we ya mi ona the we jowa. Yes o yi kwedo ya o ma mu mi go ma e mo po be a o go mo hiala single boy o head of go me 20 girlfriend the married man o buy can me wo wa me prefer married man say yes ke o ga me ti am mi ame o ko pa no me wo kwa ma e ti ale we drag ya wa de ba we evo ma ka ya mu if you not drag you snatch okay go find your husband go find your own drag for husband wa mi ya ni talena na ya ka o dere ni ya ka o dere ni awe no phone na wa mi ya ni talena ya ka o dere ni o bia no ye mo ko wa no do agumegwan wo o wa mo se ri e lai egero except my like e o pe ogodero odo boy ale le sigo dere wa yesulele ndo wa mi oka wo pa e kan awie guys obielele odere unu wa ebu ami o mane mo ela we gogo unu wa ebu o ko odere o ma no yi o mo we ma mi kweso ni gwa respect ogun yan ma da ogun yan do dey valuable o ma bi ahan do mi we no ku we lu e ku we o yan gbegbo a we no you don't go do mind na respect na wa o ma be gwe lu e yes awa we le yo ware lebwe gebo uma waga ma awa we kan lebwe kokko be wo yes waga ma awa we ebo ko be wo omozu emi ekwo no we no ku mo yinu ta ogu we mo ko ozu ohi yes cause ekwo egi me ta ga ohi me mo ko yes o be mo hare me we ya won ne lare single life living no wa re iya we na teme single mother you are proud of it because on me you no control very remote but we are jo we hale we la godo ya wan fi ovo that's we be ire re den oye we me mai kokose ekelegbe me mai kokose we shasha o lawo o wi le wodi obe keme ya bio ba be nu iri eba ni kabie bye bye you o kono ro no do wa dia yes cause we ma ona ya mu wo when oro ya dewa do ko power ya pa ko when oro any wa so wa we sent it that way ya abe pa aya pa ni yan kia no mairo bien no ro no ri yan te le ro wa te ma o no wa ri yan na jo so ti me worst gbe awa me na jo my sister relax obian ojo ajobu wa je wa o wa no so wa mu gbegbe keji no yan do magwa awe no wa ya o de wa ma partition o ko dere wa gun esu se topic ire gugwa gwan ereru wa no gba no wa owe wa eboni juices pass sickness till lafa la egu are ba agbi I mean na ta megbe utowo me mame ila me towo mawe ere ogo me mbo ya hu me hian yes eboni wo we the video na we gbon ya okay ono na si enu na the straight me na increase no problem eboni hange wa teme ni do ma ye me no time eboni excuse me oma na me da egbe eko wa hu me si na ri mi junu oma na me da egbe enele anybody home eboni wrong do egwa kana wa na ni wa ka eboni wrong wa eva ne boni wrong o le boni khona eboni me do me wrong me di ma like a character away from distance only ma mini wa e dey against any gbewa eva ni agba o say eboni wrong ni agba wa we khona o ma concern what ya wo ge do why mujuna ere na again wa we ya dey against Sandra bo wa ma ya fe wa we hen ya wa we gbe akoko gbe no mu le po a but ono na ya wa wo se o gba we ka my bo iwu ne gbu wa gbe so wa gebe ga mu wa so we vu wa gbe yes we boni wa dey dey Sandra ma wa we ti e bo ne because life ni e ma we no go every little thing everybody wa de Bible gbe a o me no na we right to gbe so udo owo ma mo ma wa de no na right working or we take it easy owa asunu dem anagbo o kiagbe oguje na ya leju popo we ma go wait me e ma no say e ma na dey against me but oga so that you why you understand oga e many of na face na boni face na wa rikoro ne oga e many of na o face na boni face na wa rikoro ne who is it to get fame to become popular who are popular who face temptation idobo o ma possible but ni me try me gwa kan igwa na si fu you me we rie never make na embrace we say ebony but ai bude wa when marine wa gu ye koko gbe ji na me ma understand oti o wa gu ni a oti o wa gu ni a o ma na gu ne wa ewebo awun dan o ma na gu ne wa ewebo Bonny man try not break down any old legend. One and one. What's the name old legend made against say? What's a man I want can do a day? Do what Gillian went. You explain my work. You only need me to know it. Wow. Why we here? So, would they all those old legends were guacani? Even if you begin, when them don't reach, they craze. They not sabi sing. Wetin music they sing? They sabi heart. No. Only mammy here. Both the hold one so go one. Iye ni egu one win ya. Onwe kia no gun. Uwe setting ya ni no. Onye no gu one way. We wa fige agboya wa gu no. Omozo mano. No he na agwe ke de ma ke de gu an ye to bi ya o ye do bo we gbe. Era we gbo ugan wa vai. Ezo ono si enya na do afiga agboya gu one. Why ga ya me gba le buwa? Even the buwa. Even the buwa reason where some otherwise. Iya here kinu gwan yo, inu try no ta o, but based on one. I wanna see level back where I deal with someone now. Abadwa ha. O ma ga gu egun a. Ku we je la gu gun. My dear sister. Why you got ziba? Fine, everybody man put this like already. But why me hold down when I get bad mind? When I know you're the feel pity for fellow human being. Again, I got pass through pain. One guy start with dere. Hey, oh, Jesus. If I was a temester. Come on, working on my back. Esther. I know what we dojo. I want we got Esther, I love her. Esther, I love you. Hey, I mean, you feel what very. Esther, I love you. Esther, even now go bege can never bege. Wagu bege can never bege. Blessed. Are you said na tonton? Since when ago? Who said una? From what tonton? People should go and buy me another one. Go and take 20 naira inside. I won't make it. Why not told in here? Take 14 naira, buy 2 for me. e ma na gbon wa on gwa gbege ne kine go gbege me on gwa oh so it dey na enya na when I dey against someone me man like again me na make us say with money in real life oh but is how much is it not 350 naira or is it 20 naira buy me two more buy two come out the 20 naira on the table shall give that 20 naira is good or go don't want to buy two why distracting them me like me agbege kene o ma na etije because it can pass through a pain so ne wa gbon igbovo e ma ni ka gbovo me ye wa mi won no ma ko gbagui your opportunity pologe side on mani o ma ni na we do time na careful information me ye ya dunu si ame those same people ori again amo se ya dege me isi kenya o wa mu yen daga gon igbovo ya won na mi so no see from that day ina wa mo wa wa gbagui ye ti wa mo ye ko ti da mo we but ye wa me able dey against we ne only wa fo again here na sikewe cause me dey buy ma gbon wa no iri happiness no one e yo sabo no ma ya live wa gbon no one na mo to me come most of no live you was no live you was what my do you wa don't go through pain agugwa no ware a pain your voice na I don't want to laugh though. Life not this. So if they worry me already. My sister, I don't want to laugh. It's not a serious matter. Come and tell you one thing. You won't be this devil, demon. You know they let me your fellow woman they happy because so you don't reach the level what the person reach for life. Hate somebody if he bad for that moment, wait a bad. It depends. Ebony why you can get bony if you with a ban. Why you get bony if you with a ban? Ebony why you go can why get you with a ban? Why am I a pastor there? I wow. So if me I prefer you work on dog what favor no what favor here. But not you with it just for our own self. For our own self. Not making our own tummy backbone. Because the man I did against work, but I beg you also that way. I will in evo or work or somewhere to argue. So for our own self, not feel with you. Because nobody now, nobody feel with you. Oh, why forget the pastor? Why I still the pastor ladder? I still the pastor ladder. I may pass with that boy. I may pass with that boy. Oh, what present life? How am I? On my everywhere here. On my everywhere here. Oh, what dere? Oh, dere. Oh, dere. Oh, dere. Oh, me not imagine what. Don't man I follow me here. I'm up over now. Oh, I follow me down here. Cause of course, empty us all over. All I say now we work bobo. Oh, man, the bonnet. You also somebody with me. Bini come mu me garu we mashone fi megele mu ne owo no be wa we do pack le ni are wa ni ma possible na yo hia bu me ajo o wa we miss be wa ke mu do fi on fo yes ya wa respect o na go abive yi ka ege o wa mo no onu wa abive gbe te wa respect o but if wa misbehave because ya e ki o wa me na hia me man ni alu iku man iku edo ya here ti me that here as you go 20 go all go off battery me low o wa pa kan no bo you many right to house last low my sister why you got go ko ni wa no lo bere do won for most time ipe na yata mi ko na yan mo ko wa okay ya de kia wo ne yan ke de won ko bia na mo ko wa u do expect wa do wo bia pa mo fo wa ara e wo me bo to a wo gun me gbe mai do mo ko wa so you want to investigate lele ya here digi jo ba oni mi ge you know mo ko wa stop you we better ro to a no ma continue or kan pa yes ma continue ya make of kan understand o ye pipe bo ko ibu ejo wa ko sare ya ye ba me ni me wa ro we aro wa no worry me. Oh, I don't know why we can't wait. Why we be at this side me? You way mula. Cause some matter you mo me ma de useless. Tige don't move my feet all day single. Akwa do me o mo ko. Eso yan yan mo ko. Yan everybody yan mo ko. Why you blame me ma? E o wana me wu. O we do boy wu ge. O dere na no problem. I'm a drag ass nasty. Salo boy. Yo be no de single yi. Single maragwa ne cut bulo no gbe lo buse. Ne te gbe lo buse. Uno ne be ira gbo na gbo na. Wo pa wa mo be o fuma. Wo wa ku yo wa. O we ga gu e no gwa na uri ujine asodo. Ma e value asodo. O ko pa ga gu e drag e wo hu ya ri koro. Uni biare na gbo na. Wa fun o yo yo. No. Let me see for you shopper. If me marry mat but I cause say o here can gbo here mewa. Ti wa we gba lo ko ni ha mu ne bo no we ga jo e. Le gbe make na we ga o ke gbi me. We ma ga mu yo gbe ma. Me ge we ga jo e. No be ya mu like boy. So that we gbe we ga o ko no we ro kwa. E still genius meeting here. E kwa le we drag. O le still genius yin. Ya le we bo. Odere. They no le loge. Ne ne single boyfriend we le won na girlfriend no me. Odere. E blame up ni le bonige. E community uje. Our respect gbon. Omo ko no mo se. Ona arewo agbe bia mo bo mo. Ni amoso I like we. But you enwe. Nu love ye kebe na ona igare ya mu genero ye ko enu bia mo ire ba ni ne any man show man no moon date what that boys be anybody no he nege ya mi ya va be dan wa he cause so say so lo be kewe ne fo carry awewu mo da na awo so we afa ho awule ogbeso shop clean mouth must you present all the men who are friend there. What be career work so? If I born you more than I we boyfriend my sister. Career o wa wukia. I will sweep me when I put a different state. Why do you want to or present as a single? Where do you want to work on many of you look date you to odo wa ma mo wa ma bi wa gwa lodo ya gba ka gbo ko ki won wa ke bi eye hian da ka gbo ko ki won wa ke bi we bi whatever wa ri oja o han mu gwa o ya si go moda of course say wa ro oja ro si go moda but so kon pa wa succeed them one day or over one day someday o money one day who will enjoy gwa o pe no gbo ko yo won no, there we go your one no so abi and we do avie go we make a friend you way. What's the need? What's the need? Advice. One no fun egbo buse. Of we bu ani bu. Okay, advice. Ye tase on your advice. We wa ke live video si ohun la de boni. If you advice no ho cause mo bio Mama every megbe na when na re me mo foda no hia be advice no ma na re so agbe ko phone me o pete na we fu megbe wo me no ri bu de ni me fu ne if you advice egbe me it's all over ne o ye wan me te me ata le bo hia yin ka ya wan kwa advice o kwa ni te advice na o pete na fu kwa gbe ariana amete bi te pe rubbish. What they just are but why we one? Governor na go wo depression na gbe wo why reason those things? O home dey be to man na. O hear what we share debt. Where is it? 350 naira na do it. My brother lost it come down. Ko be wa o me si my river si on si. O ko mo regbe. Bless God bring my power bank. If on a type of cause kirie we say get on me kepa bon back advice e mani bo ave ya enwa no understand the man Be mama se boni we mama se boni. O we gbagbo ya. That this strategy. That strategy okay. That no ya live life okay. The life for na please o who see aye no je. One day we fi we at least eboni always say 37-38 years ni. O momo na ya wa sire na agbe o ma na fi we agbe. Yo ya ilo won boy. Igbo me age no ya say o to boy e fi we there. Only mommy get every down many videos. Koko gbe no wa live na ma give me now. What happen? Udagi ku. Ku na hina na. Bi mi gun ya mu ge ma be.
You can't give me. How to give you before?
I want a bit. A bit. Stand up. I'm at stand up finish. This the only time say if not. That time say. If not. You don't go up small. Because I see this other. Mure na gbe. What take easy?
Take.
Then what more understand? Me man kage. Me man wan reply Lucius abi man wan na ti we. Ge esu wa na. Eh meje. Ele boya block me vegani. If you back that time go boom. Even if I die because only a first man is in it. Ogari life. Every other character no makane. Okwo boy no. O ma hewe fu gbogbo salary do am gbe yo ma. No. Everybody let come spirit. Egbo ma imeni wa leji wa leji. Egbo ma say talk na. Egbo wa here to wait for nothing, for no reason. Egbo ma so talk we na. Wa wu we bunya ni ya fe na. Mimwe wata mo we. Ude yan eneni ni we video ni. That fair one is ima on. Ima mi o ide. Ono say na mo po cancel e die. Festina like ebony. Festina like ebony. Me like yan take e. Festina like ebony. Ebony or like a Sharon. Festina like ebony. Ebony like a Sharon. But a Sharon are this kind of person. Eke gwan, but on your gwan, eke control igbe. Festina this kind of person on a reserve. Festina a reserve. Na very mature person. If I don't like it, sis, me a dane. If you know, na don't like you in particular. There, on one imete like it say. You hear how we move but ezoya we, but my control igbe. Ude izini. Egbo ma mi zini ovun ebo. Egenu ya offend egbo egeni. Ela ide ba e nege na do ame fun eno he ati. Egbo ma izini. O like no ladia. Me ma like egbo ma yo na le lekin aso say because a story we fe ya wa ra ka boy. O story. E ni we unu we miamia ne. Ye miamia. We no we mu miamia. Ye miamia ko he ya gbo kan ya fe. Dele the fair one ima the spirit ma go with almost say ima observe one me one the spirit on ima spirit ma go with almost say ima na observe you understand it what take agbon easy but me aga ebony that festina and your chance ne all get the right friendship will be festina. Ebony are ye chance ne festina no like ebony. Little one not like you were. All one will like. Little one no like. We marry friendship, no you're not boyfriend and girlfriend. We are no more like you were. We are so far. Yes. If you are so that way there way. We have friendship with you. While they guess the can cook bongle no one get look when we. Or if you went, you are going around. But the spirit we are Jake, no Mike, no Joe, we are like on my way. First thing I like ebony. Any observe it. On a reserve. Just ebony or push it first now. Yes. But when you like it, Sharon. Or lose the ine. Yes, or lose the ine. My sister wa alu enwai. Waya. Wagi maya fe alu enwai. My gwa zose. Ono a problem man. My gwa zose. Oso gbonwa. Oso si nwa. Wa o no have a bad name wa gun through us you know. Through us you know. That's a bunny, your chance me festina. If a bunny ran worry problem ya phenomenology. Yes. A festina or till the bunny was saying, but a character bunny no say festina by 90 stay. Because festina this kind of person not stubborn. All your one 90 control, no could do white control. I want to so I don't see the scatter and I don't circulate. I don't day when bunny. I am a net oh no why get face a bunny go. I have a domino opportunity na ya right fun we. When my mom who you woman. I mean I so bunny lele abu my bunny wa ro egbe. Boriri. Why get go but I me group yan dey get say hey. I got the back group ni. Make you woman bane. Cause you better face. Oga we go ba. Jongo ni mama agwa lego. Oga webu. Oh no ta. Oh feel it. Iwa le no na. Then ya dey ko again na ikona. Mami e jongo de wa emu ogbe so kan won ma wa ma ya scatter iwa agwa lona. Lele level wa emu yen gbo so wa mu yen elo. Odo lace of corolla da elo. O pa de kuma ma we get friend me. E get friend le re gbe na le re ko mo pa ko kan me here. O wa de kuma o wa shock. O shock, what's an shock? Yeah, me are the queen, but you are ignoring. Cause any measure, I have been a webu. Cause a webu be. You have been a webu ban. You might not hear Simon way, you might not hear ban where, you might not say it been a webu. You have target where you are the alley webuna. You are target where the corner head and I'm way low. A low, on giant of a low one. No. Anyone on here George anyone on here George agbegbe my first my hair mula down here George oh no what finish you understand me because we so why is it do now but we here where I feel book we na gbe na here na da wo poji o say gbe na webu so my dey here webu wa gbe na elo wa target anybody webu target a corner wa mi elo le legbona cause I don't know why le legbona webu e gi aha de bai buo oye no sunda e naiso iye ti gwegun elo iye oni aru webu yan file me buo so I only have his Ima de o my me de but he hate a coward yes I want fun I man like man if I no ko yeah, me ma no de bayane. Fa no ko do afa no ko no why my fine why you na we afa no go me afa no go ma fa no negbe. Na go no hia le. Wa we de me wa no de ba we le no hia do afa no ko. Because ori anywhere. Afa no ko strength ni ma ni de ba we strength ni ogu we ne. Na afa no ko. Yes, the matter like a bonnet. Bonnet one day against you and ya buggy. No. Again, I hear like any. Wagi my courage gbima muregbe manuwa if you don't with this bad attitude iya ma kenya enu of you when you go through the trauma when my depression is real no depression is real why if you go on Facebook or I get so wrong just to shame the enemy yeah. And she's going gradually. Oh, here, even a great bag, here, or your way, or go to pain, or man, and you give ever. You understand? What's okay? Wow. I go through a lot in the wagon. Honestly, or you want to go through it. You did Bible, but it. Many as in every name boka, many as in it way. My dear, wafi with you, just a bonilo. Why, wafi with you. Everybody on Facebook, because you don't understand the one on Facebook, Nage. Oh, my, Tenegena. A canero one majo, direct Joe, fucking one. Even a real guaya fair Facebook, not direct to Wajo.
Abiomanaka. Gbese ere la ege ne body wa ya gbe Sandra go agbe ya fe wa ege boni Sandra go go. Ude na ya la tene. My video mood. Now they see me. Now they see me. I mean, now it's me that talk, so now they see me. Now they see me. Now they see make I end the video, make una wave. Cause I mean want go market, I don't they go. Now they see me, make una wave, like they see me. Now they see me now. I beg, if make una wave, if una they see me. Okay, now they see me now. Okay. So my sisters, see you not too like perfect for me. I know it I don't go through for life. You know, saying everybody know their hearts. Once you dey happy, you know you don't forget about other people pain. But you don't when you go back when you want to pass through your own pain. You got a reason if other people they go through the same thing when you they go through. But you forget say tai come here don't me azele do. Tai come here don't ba. E no yare no dare na we yana na ni sikokona dey against one person again. My dear, you have advice wa to buwa. Mami de na fanoko owo you wa. Edo ote heke wa kipe wa ye ko wa. Yes. I want to reckon the journal use a new pony we may at Boka. Oh, honor use a new pony we may at Boka. I did mess up keeping a negbime. Yes, because one day, oh, yeah, good moka, and it's soreno. We know how about someone to hear Bomanoka. So, in this soreno. But anyway, then now I like. Me might just say gang up or offend to what? Ebony offend to what? But me I will advise to what? In that dog here about it be while we keep any buwa because all set one day. Amawe agagui. I mean na itsa anagaku agagui. When wababejina na when yale he dale wa egbegbo kan wa ko e o kospa kuna aro pa offend one do o se na kankan gan but so beg me be say son wa ko e this Facebook ma be je ma wa we down a history in what I go through if it ya fe no ruwa egbe for the long and all wa we do atale ya latin gbe so wa give me pare won ni dadoge. Well, mommy, Bama is in it. What they against it, just that nyapata. No one nyapata. A public I go yaga. And then that's why I go yaga against my fellow woman. Or take a Kenya near Muame. You are careful from me because imagine me. Niya go yaga about one now. That you know, eh? Yeah, we made the same mind. To trade another way. But a nation is like, you know. Blessed, will you stop running? Okay. Madam, go and sleep. Omi aga ome ya awie. Egbo mo wa na o no mo re gbeken. Owa mwere na gbe emi obi ede ro bigger kill and die. But if we go for use account to why face why your account fake accounts because wamade bold enough of your photo no vu wa gbe ma ro no wa also na ya le to fake accounts we mama say boni we no gwana make dey against the boni o ma o me mama re mo kamare o hede Because against the duty character. Oh, we better the pasty. Why pasty? Why past? You really need any industrial and truthful joy. You really industry. Nene boni you want to say any industry vania. What better you are? Àwọn àgbẹ̀ ìwà tẹ́wọ̀n pàlẹ́ kí ló gbogbo èké yá fi wà á fẹ́lẹ̀ láti ẹ̀yìn wọ́n bọ́ sí sí à. Wọ́n lọ́wọ́ owó ọgbọ́n rẹ̀ ká gbẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀bùn ló pa bọ́ sí sẹ́lẹ̀ ní industry. Ẹni dé mi náà ìmọ̀. Ìmọ̀ ayé dẹ̀ sùn ní ìrànwọ́ pa. Before you can go to say boni, never know you don't love you and you feel with you. Well, why should I love you that boni, but why not feel with you? Well, why should I love you, Baba? Why should the other one love? Why should I love you, Baba? Why not feel with you? Off you with you. What my show I love? Off you were hating you. Almost say character than worse. You may hear so pregnant or we now you may hear so I feel with you. You share the words okay. Why should I love you, but why not feel with you to boy? You told me if you were here. Yeah, if you were here. Oh, do they lovely? Oh, they lovely. Oh, we do actually no fear some character way. Yeah, when Monica is here, you don't like it. But what much I love? Apart from eight. Well, 1 minute now. What we done? Period we have done here, young boy. Or what would that period you know? My can't wait. You guys have anything? You would hear anyway. Here continue to go here because away from me. I have never why are we done? I have never know we done. What get boy in a way if you were there, but what is saying on way? What get boy in a way like any dust to the rubber? What is saying on my way? It does to know why can't I love you that boy? Why can't I pay to that boy? Why can't I pay boy? Nothing to work out. It walk out with her. I don't back and no way what I'm about. So it can never jump back at the man. I walk him. It tried to be the bar. On a year, we may done. It both with the bar. If he could deba. Ah, boy, I fell and why it's well on my down here. If I saw it were just for jealousy. Ah, boy, I it would not what woman. If I saw it were for jealousy. I told her one. If I saw it were for jealousy. Boy, for here it's older. Tell me what it done. If I saw in why it were for jealousy. Wherever the state nana tell me what done. I walk back. Now he will not be me a day. He can make us see what it is. Where not see. Observe. Ẹ̀yin na tálẹ̀ lè mi èyí. Àkótá ẹ̀mí mi dẹ̀bẹ̀ kì. Wọ́n lọ study mẹ́. Ìyá mi lọ fi lé gbìyà. So ní tẹ́lẹ̀ ní tẹ́kẹ̀ yàmíàmíà. Kírátà ni wọ́n ká gé ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí. Wọ́n lọ study mẹ́. Wọ́n sì náà live way yọ̀. Emi ni hile le so ona asio uyo meku no ga ya me etewu me na do alle newu you know have stay clear because money the problem money there's ono you ga ya me lekia so the money me ya learning now the money ma ya do dislike me like t form you know we do that vet for me e get like form or you feel big erona mi o wa una me you're a champion, you're an enemy. Every day you could get the more feel again. My for work, can I have a guy take care? Even when my friend win, no. I'm the one of the mind, no, you're winning. Only we have to know the sick bubble, look at it. You understand me now? So, maybe careful. Now you make a problem with you. Even now you got to act here for me. You have a TV phone. So, I make a lag more. And you make a sick young. Yeah, stop it, man. Because network for mango may continue. So, me like me a beg me. My own name. I was in Igbena. Me de rete me. Why we? So, a dog ya continue. If you back and you tell me man agbo. Oru egbe o, ori megbe. ni me wa dey against aron pa ni ma be show a love egbo e through that love or we fi were understand the eyan worst is ba gbon no ore gbagbo ya ebo ni egwa mo eme yota or your fit purpose when fine e ways of no ma dislike ejo my 8 ejo but ma we do away with that 8 ma get don have fear were cause ugbe so wa show my 8 all you mama ni one we gado wa show we 8 but to get what head wa show e go 8 what do I say pain we e wo wa ti show we 8 emi o hia sin na show we 8 so ye to be have fear gbe e were or we fear gbe e were someday you understand me now so I had to force if you were oh mama okwo boy no you ain't gonna hear you were if you know na mane no problem e ma na fear gbe e were but no for na o ma for nwo ma for ni men of we gbagbo ya wa gi mo wa mo ga ro pa dun okwe olole don ne my dear sister you watch this last one o bia pa ra gbon free my ragbon see go my ragbon it's either you share or you slash yes do I see civil do I see we ibu dia ko gwe don we be ro ke your mind no problem my sister ono se na ibu de ni ko ni wa me na ejo ga be kianya bie no pa me wo okwa bie ego ya roja sell as a single mother always wa enjoy so nhe ya go bia pa na de ma no ya de o ka mu go yo nke maru ke bie my sister okwa do bobe me ya marry at the age of 40 something years the chance is 50-50 do I see it taking ama odo ero do po ona sara ka odo lo ma poto mo lo ma e ja le se nhe ya won do do ma be mi odo bie but na ewe umanu bie u dey yat ebo next single mothers my sister who is 40 something years ago emi awawe but 50-50 no be mu na ze mu no so cause o mere he go ko ya for sure no ya ro mo kata sizi no so e do amu na ze mu no so who might taking remember the age nu ya omodo remember the age nu ya bie sorry remember the age nu ya omodo age ni akeke no ko ya omodo me age no ko ya la wodo no ya so abiele do we fi wonu jo wodo ke bie amawe gweyo age we na ibe se le uke ile ya take emu na zemu no so my sister so no ya mi odo no me no ma me odo move on with your life odo maizi isa me yunuta odo maizi owo odo maizi na jo esku no kwa invest waje uke life owo odo maizi mo so ha women so yet we encourage we were wodo my sister bye bye ya we wish you congratulations ona we favor we aruwe oma we feel we quit bona we favor we umoji na renodo umo yive na ya dodoji esmo lo ona we mi we bo o edede ni we be jena we mi we bo egboku gin asimi ya master shi ya de le o ba esimi wo pe he ti wa mo ki ọ̀rẹ́ iwo wonu awu na ni we de ba we ri mo kere gbe so say wa igba ti we egbe wo me le ya wu na si but no be firewood our work must do so might you do what they do outside we no go maybe o me ho we am married man ozuo truth wo ku maybe o me ho age we here no pa ne bí a ṣe otamupo o hi o una ya am married man bai e married man no me family ogene no build a home ogene build a fish ogene whenever you am married man when maybe my ho at your age single woman single man telele o bo maybe my ho why married man here ozuo hi my sister e figi we ama snatch a drag ozuo hi ko normally o ko no maybe my ho my no ya mo pe no family ogene say here send the way or do more. You know, on a cola, or you want to your side or you for some money the battalions. Single mother, no my own or beer. Or my own single man here do a mafia. On that way, I'm way, you're not carry you or pony. Or no carry one more. You have a category of Miami. If you not drag the splash. I bow you. Why you gonna this mentality? I my sister. Who on I all the western order? No, my ear, whatever. But relax. Our way a job we are doing. Hey, mafia. You know why he concentrating more? Well, more. So far, no, we go no, no, bow, we want no importance. Forget the life no live away. Do my stand measurement to be away. You have to be away. So you have to go that kind of marriage. In my hell now where you came in. If I'm not that more coming. Lao, I'm no worry the white to do that. That will our what day no matter what day. Or my way, young. I don't know why you're more rubber in there. Honey, wow. In one in Anina. Or a best no. Maybe in one in a empty house all over if we make back. For 30 is in you. They say they saw him from Odo. They say they say him by your word already. Because you want any Bunamala in your government. You have to tell your mammy, you have to tell my made up by your word already. He had the boy single. Oh, it's a single life area. So the way, what are the advice now? No matter you, category mama, my college bima. No matter what dog, I'm your dog. You know what he's a master beer. Therefore, my boy, my call beer. About Baron or Yan or that available in Nigeria, Nigeria. Oh, I'll be on your way. I say, well, but my husband in Nigeria. I beg you, you. What's that even? My husband is in Nigeria. I get where I go, can you? After a big bag, it might not say gossip and do what you do. When I hear gossiping men, a better of who agree. My bed, now I met all women, where to a young. What are you called? So all we head to the other maker. What's that even now? So, a life was on your leave, a life from our back. White man, Europe. Well, any white man. Make one a white man. When me whatever in Nigeria, a white man. Wow, get you on Europe woman. You might be a white man. Me many day black in me rare, we black enough. Many day white man. Go digga me wa him, you are Jenny, you are somewhere, and go digga no why you are him. And I have been a fool, and I got a choice, so I can make a choice. Oh, drag the choice, I make choice again. Take a choice, but we are. What's that, man? You want matter Nigeria, general, man, Nigeria, shine your hair in Nigeria. You love your exist in Nigeria. You go, no, I'll go down, take off away, stay with that man. That's where we're to lower. Oh, but we will stay with you. You look by rogue. So, my dear, while I take a more easy. Ebony will forgive you. No matter in all you have to be a big way with it. My family maka like it. Mamma like a maka. Mamma will like a maka. The likeness in my area by your up man. The hatred in my area by your up man. My neighbor imagine that boy. For our good to be known to erase the hatred in my name. Because the life will really live your mouth at a bonny. The life your mother have fet of well. If they say there's a way telling them, oh, yeah, well, all you open no and no make an arm of a neck beware, because I never well of way, or put no. Who were more bonny your toy table talking with time, no make an eye raise of way. No make an eye release of where a pen will go through. Take by where Master Bonny. My mamma said Bonny, you are the boy, say, oh, my coffee, because they tried the man in the young at the agbe. You are like a necklace. I don't know that Jabber. Well, sir, but so much say with on man. Wait on like who am I feed on honey? Who am I said then? But honey, you die, you can never walk in your hand. Wait, no, what will be? No, life is not like that. Because also that way. Those are bright jam bove da like that will go baba. Yeah, tea belly I want to anybody at demand. Who are baby? Who are going in any? Easy me happy killer them. You are easy. Me on me. ya go through it again na go through get no je egbe ya ti succeed wo here oh ya ma easy so go to pay wa gbọ́dọ̀ be wa dey against you for no reason all because of your attitude ero saya jiwe ade agbo judgeability odo lead to this attitude mo ma say or no weboni. So words of advice on it. Mana mama can church, mama can pastor. Everybody we mana we go fit my way church ro. Or church we go those abaro. So ye to me man so take Maria advice on encouragement no need. No make na be on every exist wa gbon. How we go feel with here. My mama gbe wa like you take advice here. Operator no fu egbe. I just say gossip ebony. Ya erase ogwe. Ba oregbuwe. Ya yo ogwe egbuere. Opotopoto na taleluwe here. We che we ya egbuwe you were. We just ogwe ebony. Ya ri open egbuwe. Yes. No fu me gbe me gwale me ya egbe me you were. Ido re ya da me ogwo ma we ri ase. Eni me da ogwo wani phone. Okay, my one in it. A pure all over go through. God forbid. So back when you say, I raise the pen. Raise a woman on my own personally. All getting here, raise a woman. Because I have a total in water over there. Or if we have been, but based on no offense, you have a right to speak out. Then you have vomit anything, you have vomit because a right thing I have. I'm back in the more, I know it easy. Yes, because otalo we. Any book will not talo. No my okay. Will you stop that rubbish? No my okay. And always do it there in an okay. Every easy. Well, damn, you're not even later. You go my way, young my way. But like on talo. Any little thing. Maybe yeah. You got keep you now. So say. See, a minute. Anything you are telling me, go telling me, Edeni ahun. In my vagu ya gbemokan. Oh, mama Alena. Udo ya me tewo. And when I me tewo ni, ya love your way. Because we make him understand again he trust anybody. And then ya bokeke no say aji. What's now me trust him? Him not trust him. Me here speak out my truth, my bitterness, my anything. Me at least I pass through a period. I want to share payment with no advice, me encourage me. You might go and trust anybody, but not because you done, okay? Because of you done. Wow, you there affair here. They talo. Oma make us say e wrong thing. Oma make us say we wait a minute. Boy, wa agree. Why to keep it? No says I literally. You know say there is a while like but me heavy nije boy. I don't run no atalo to. When Nigerian men never bath. My dear sister, now you cause a bit that one. If Nigerian men don't bath, oh, they never bath. I don't know. You understand? Because this time Nigerian men when they abroad. Now Nigeria they for come out. Now Nigeria they here they for come out. Me I'm not a friend man for Nigeria. I know that in Nigeria 2018. I have a boys a vanny friend. Since then, I go up for the policeman and the movie in Name. He was 63 years. There you were raw. That boy was. You want to look banny no. May wake up banny for me. I'm marry I'm marry of Weko. One of them, you have a boy movie. Webo. You have a boy. If I let away here for Yahweh, me. Now we're phone and I'll get your body. Any. Why am I mother? Oh, where's a boy? They say too many. Not be only Benin people, my sister. They're everywhere. Not be only Benin people. Gossip there everywhere. Now pray and we personally pray. Say, jam the rightful friend. Also, that was me. Erwana. He's that my was say. My was say. No, why would I let the money no? You bought a cool quiet to money. Emma, your magbo. My watch your no magbo. Or sex. Mami no ware ko tu mani. Unne na re ku ni. O ga exchange with me o spiritual man. No wa ga na egbon ma eboni na. O te o si agbon. No wa ga na. So o ga ni o wa do ale ni egbe ma yo ni. O igbe kan egbe oko gbe o no na egbe ma yo no te le kin ya ale no ma hin wa gbon. Ayo ma ni fu me ma like yan. Me de like ma ni fu. When that do me like for me ma like ma ni fu. Egbe ma ya eboni na o te o si agbon gwa na te gbo ma festina no wo gba. Egbe ma yo na me good art was say hallelujah. Dege but ude quietness e ma na no deceive ma na gbo. Ani le ma di ko here. Awo ko gbo ye gbo ni my sister wa me na lo won ma gbe so. Ma de ge se boni e we ya de ge se no la de ge se Sandra. Ba we ya with video no. Why you gbe na past tense ni hin. Come do so press many things yan do atolo na e past tense e no. Do bo ten e mo ba we industry. Agbe yari fe di yen an ye gugun we. Kai wa re Facebook ke ya o. Eye me ma we te kan wa awin yen re. Awin yen re ma te kan wa. Wa ma gugun wa mo re go. O te kan wa. My sister, thank you. Sas good. Oh Jesus. Eh na no tana. So God bless you. God bless you. All of them miss themselves. Why you mad deceive me? Yeah, I'm say gbiyan. E je ga je ta lo ya je. Iya gbo won won ya de. Iya mi say gbiyan wa. Iya mi say gbiyan. Omo gba me ye mi so ma. E sara mi say boni. The shadow of this kind of person or the go but I refua. Oh no, Boma yon e yours have be yon yours have be. I want to remove but I want echo. Oma offend the forgive. Any for. But I boni Mr. Sharon. Festina Mr. Sharon. But Ebony and me say easy, Ebony man like easy. But easy like Ebony. No one about why they say Kuyanina? Iyan you are gwinana. My love way. Iyan like a bean. Iyan me say bean. Get it was set on your back. You know you move it just what can happen. Oh, we are anyone no women. Every day never talogia. You are figure talogia. Anywhere. Ibiaka agwe anywhere titinya tota na gwiya gwa na advice ya na seto ya. If you do, you may want to do a fit bege. You want to make a fit bege. If you don't buy na seto ya na ya boy me. Oh yeah, murena. Anyway, don't be surprised that when you want ya wa we ya got to tie you when you ga vanye ya scatter ya ni iya ni ibiaka na oyo wa lo pa pi fun ewe na iya o le la ku daro iya lo pa pi fun no ke lo pa pi fun no ke lo pa pi fun ado ami ni won yo kan ni wa godota godmother no do gan go up against each other aba me no wa pa o helati na re wa stop on erin wa ya fe ni do wa the meeting wa ya fe wa je meeting na won pa me makifo no gwan na na igbe sunu oya wele boni awe ga ni weta oya ka magbe ayo se wele ga ni weta magbe oh yeah ina setting ya fi wa mere pisare that industry no if you do you like yin na iya no afura aro ko so fura aro awe no fie ba ene so yi fie ba ene so na owa ono se na we mana re Facebook no ya o yin ni mai ga mu yin re jun ko se ma le ma hi wuwe Imale magiwe iya no iya le settle egbiyan wa pe iya me settle egbiyan no problem but mana ya o degi yan mama e karata yan le no ke ona me karata la karata we karata yan le we si ko ene na ebo no si we no we si ko ene o si we no wa gba re ku gbe wa gba mi go ni wa gba we yan se ku gbe ni no e ho ya ho e no ya gun o de brag or they proud too much. Ma we dey against on no, we don't be rani. Oni gbera ne. Why you got the Bible boma Emma? No, it does. How many one you know we be a car? I mean, no, it's not to tell you set on yana. No, I don't not before. I don't not before. Why set on yana? When anyone in any industry, they're going to do man. Oh, my dad or not take as godmother running. Oh, my who's a godmother? Oh, me why you go go? No, you see him here go. So why don't know godmother bonny with industry? I will first play. I think I have godmother with this wood industry. If I don't know where Guya Guya Messica, where CJ wood industry. I went in white piano roll. Or my run while we take a sera. No, heavy but no settle why I say no. Why you call the Bua? Money who I Facebook. The boy why my with you one. Why we tell a neck one? Why do I make us say we saw we are in Facebook now? Why we all say in real life? You have a story one heavy at Buaka. That's life for you. Any Mejanana. I want to hear your story make Bumoka. You get boy. Oh, here tell you just a matter again. No, so that's severe. No, and you went anymore. Every other thing will be severe. A women a brewer, a women a modelo, a women owning car. They are in the shop. My dear, they say, no. A women because they say no. If they say no. Now me retire because he make us say. He's all say. Or say ni good one. Imagui or tell my boy matter. After he's all say, my tell a neck with my way. Apart from godmother and my way, so boy, my bamujo. That's my love. Inherited it. What's that even that? Give me. Every other thing, every other person. Catafiki yanni. No catafiti man. Yanni. Anything any time they say no. They say because he might be time when they be there. He might buy igui. He might wear there. Would I buy igui? We hear tell the next good man yame. You zuo. Oh, zema zuo koma bule. The rest say no home. Only yak be monka. And if I little ma when he all say me. He might hear there. If he near home, abi no do hear matter you know ya. Abi odo hear matter you know ya ma do they say. So you will have to open the barrel. Mammy will tell a neighbor one or you beg television who member Jashi. When is Jashi? Niziwe a bonica bostic be. Anything easily time bebunina. But tell matter, was say and car. We can not no time or say where you or so saver. Yes, or so saver. So anything you got to make buana a matter, you know, but to make it or what don't want like public. What do you no sua? Oh no, imagine. So my dear, I mean name was Zan. Oh my name was Zan Agmoshi. Yes, I'm gonna tell you where exist the only. I'm gonna say me by one or another anyway. I'm gonna tell you where exist the web. Do my why? Our gossip where exist the web. I recognize why I'm working. Because the rest of our mission in the hour one in my way. You have to tell me where am I way? Sabe go for boy no person that we babalana I know I have anyway here well better way we bubani okeke no reage so am ma na mo la aleru no ma we toge na wo je mo eji na gbo hiyama na fo je me gbo so waya ko me we la le second na ni apese 7 na ma take ya apese 7 na ma wa take message na it say kene boni je no be ya nwa o ma ti we say vani no problem no here be be no be ya nwa but oko do my husband is really worry me why it you ho ko nu wa pe no mo ko gwa go ko be gwa wo yi igba ofin yen mo ko gwa so na ya to so ko wo yi it's either you share or you smash see go my ragmo but so pop ba ma na e bie ele married man on ba ka me love you ho sha